Freedom is not a dream, it's a decision. And I use the power of credit education to turn that which I once hoped for into what you see behind me. My name is Arel Muhammad, founder of Credit Healing. And in 2014, I went through the very same thing that many of you are going through right now. However, I use the power of knowledge and discipline to transform a 500 credit score to owning over 20 acres of land, as well as peace. Now I'm using that same system to teach people such as yourself, step by step, how to do what I've done in our live Credit Healing Masterclass webinar. This is not a gimmick. This is not a quick fix. This is automation and proven systems to help you gain the path to freedom. If you're ready to take control of your future, join me live. Tap the link below, reserve your seats, and let me show you how I can take you from where you are to the path to freedom.